So hey guys, in previous video we have seen that full explanation of the trapping rainwater problem. Okay, so we have explained the uh, problem, and I have also explained how we can solve that problem. Now in this video we are actually writing a code for the problem. Okay, video we have to take the demonstration of a rainwater problem. So I have creating a main function. That main function we have to create an array. So I'm taking the array name as heights, and so I have created an array. Okay. So I have taken exact values that we have taken in previous video. So that theory part of rainwater trapping solution, then come to code. Okay. I will give the video link in the description box. So I have created an array here. Then I will create a function. So public int. So return type will be int, and the uh, function name will be rain trap. Now in that I will pass this array. Okay. Now I will initialize a variable for its length. As we have discussed in previous theory, we have to take two auxiliary arrays, for one for left maximum boundary and one for right maximum boundary. So I will create for left maximum boundary first. So left maximum boundary. So maximum boundaries array will be this, and its length will be equal to the heights array as we have created. This its length will be is equal to this array. Okay, both the lengths are same. Then I will run a loop for int I is equal to 1. I should less than n, and I will get update. Then we have to get left max of I is equal to math.max. I have created and left max auxiliary array here, and then I will run a loop. Now I have to add the data in the left max array. Okay, so I have created this math.function. Okay, so the array of I means the heights of I and the left max of I minus 1. It will come whichever is the maximum, it will stored in this array of max of I. Okay, so it will store in that location. So this way we have created the left max boundary. Now let's create right max boundary. So in that I have to create right max auxiliary array, and its length will be is equal to the I have taken the array as same as that. So let's initialize the last element. So last element will be array of I, or means right of max of n minus 1. Its store will be height of n minus 1. So the last element, that is 5, the right max array 5 will be stored. Now, then we have to run a loop for int I is equal to n minus 2. So in n minus 1 we have stored 5. No, the loop will start with n minus 2 and to 0 and I will be gets decrease. Now in that similarly we have to compare max of I and we have to take the function math.max the maximum. So if max of I plus 1 is is greater or the I is greater. So it will compare and whichever is the maximum, so it will store in right of it will store in this auxiliary array, right boundary auxiliary array. So this way we have created left max boundaries and right max boundaries. Now we have to calculate the water, how much water will be trapped. Okay. So I have to take an variable trapped water and I will initialize it by 0 and I will run a loop for int I is equal to 0, I should less than n and I gets updated. Now I will create a variable here water level and in that we have seen that we can calculate the water level the minimum of left max of I and the right max of I. So as we have seen in the theory session. Now as we get the water level, now we can apply our formula. So we have to update water trap to water trap will be water level minus its height, bar's height. So height of I. So we will get the water, we will get the trapped water and that value will be stored in the trapped water variable. Now we have to simply return the trapped water variable. Whatever will the value it will return to the main. And here we have to first call the function. We have to create an object for the class. Now we have to call this function. So system.out.print and in that we have to call t1.rainTrack. Okay. So I have written the whole code. First I have initialized the array here. Bar height it will be. Then I have called the function. So in that I have created a variable for height. I have created left max boundary auxiliary array and then I have created right max boundary auxiliary array. Then I have calculated the trapped water. How we calculated? So first I've calculated the water level. Water level is basically left max of I and right max of I. Whichever is the minimum, it will store in the left water level and trapped water will be water level minus the height of I, means the bar's height, and we have simply written the trapped water variable value. Okay, so I have written the whole code. Now let's run the code and see what will be the output. So the output that we have get is 11. So as we have driven the code, the same output that we have gotten. So thank you for watching this video.